Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss variables in Python. So what are variables in Python? You can think of variables like a container which stores the data values. So data values can be of any type. It can be of integer type, string, float, boolean, any. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. And variables do not need to be declared with any particular data type. But still you can specify the data type using some constructor. And they can even change the type after they have been set. I'll show the example. Let's say x equal to 7 and y equal to Bob. I'll print x and print y. Python file name .py. So the values of x and y got printed. Now I'll reassign the value of x. Say x equal to hello. Now I will execute this once again, and instead of 7, hello got printed as I reassigned the value of x from integer data type to string data type. So you can even change the type after they have been set. Now string variables can be declared either by using single quotes or double quotes. So Bob is same as Bob. I'll show you that also. I'll change this hello. I'll store this hello in single quotes. So Python doesn't differentiate between double quotes and single quotes for string data type. And Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in a single line, like more than one variable in single line. Let's say x and another variable y equal to say hello, and so x is assigned to hello, comma y is assigned to Bob. I'll print x and print y. So Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in a single line. Now variable names can have a short name like xvan, and even they can be a descriptive names like age, then car name, or some total volume, area. And there are some rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter, either a letter or a underscore. And it cannot start with a number, but it can have a number in between. A variable name uh, can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. There should not be any special characters, and variable names are case sensitive. So this age, and age, they are three different variables, and you cannot have keywords as a variable name in Python. Now output variable. So the Python print statement is often used to output a variable, and even Python print statement is used to display some message. So whenever you want to combine that message or text with a variable, Python uses plus character. Like say x equal to Bob, and I'll print hello. Hello is my text plus x. save this. So hello Bob got printed. So to combine both text and variable, Python uses plus character. Now global variables. Variables that are created outside the function, they are known as global variables. And global variables can be used by everyone, like both inside the function and outside the function also. And if you create the variable with the same name inside a function, then that variable will be local variable and it will be accessed only inside the function. And the global variable with the same name will remain unchanged with its original value. And if you want to create the global variable inside the function, you can use the global keyword. I'll show you that also. So x equal to Bob is an is a global variable. Now I'll define my function. Say def my function, and let's print hello plus x. Now I have to call my function. So hello Bob got printed. So the global variable is accessed inside and outside also. So the outside example I'll show you. Print x. So this is now outside the function. Hello Bob and Bob. So the global variable is accessed inside and outside the function. Now if you want to create a global variable inside the function, you use global keyword. Say global y, and let's say let's assign y to say cherry. Now I'll try to access this global variable outside the function. So as it is global, I should have access to this variable outside the function also. Hello Bob, Bob and Cherry. So Cherry is a global variable which I created inside the function using global keyword, and it has access, or I have access to that variable outside the function also. So this is all about global variables. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.